nongialam kaliang persya hagin dorbar tho ang gejala Meghalaya Dr. Mukul sama mentasni spoteri kelalengkot arjar arhunru badairu nongialam jong All India Trinamool Congress hagan gejala mentasni ula Pynbna bak parti kini simbenta hag general election syaging dorbar jong Garohil Autonomous Council Kabansalong Shen habakran higlat thai kubor aslom proskrop long ba baro yatip ba ka angkin tiap seng kamdon hag diskonsil kumta ka parti kan hab ban pej bnia ba ban ai tiket ba kinom phet na ka parti ne kinom kan tiap seng onda kala job ba kide bnia ne bar ka parti na kaliang jong parti shen kan sakhot ya ka application na kamta kito bakwa banya khun ya ka MDC election sha GHADC but na kaliang jong parti kan sepej bnia ba ha ka bedai bar kitong ki ba parti kan sepenyang ula keno ba kalong ke ege ke ba songsi ban yi ba sarkar kam syam na don kata ke jingkit kli na kamta diskonsil ha ka ba kim syam na yo tulom na kamta bun benai ula keno ba kene ke dei ke jing shimsting jong kene ke sarkar jela
I hope the government notifies the election immediately. Because as you are aware, last year the election was held in March, ending April, and the term that is usually the 5-year term is closing now. It has become necessary for all the political parties to definitely prepare for the election. AITMC is participating. The party has already invited applications from aspiring candidates. And there are certain internal discussions we are embarking upon. We are continuing this discussion, and we will definitely have a strategy in respect of this GHADC election. It is very important for us to understand the political dynamics that unfold after every election in respect of autonomous district council. Because unlike in the state legislature and the parliament, the provision of the 10th schedule does not apply to the members of the autonomous district council. Therefore, it has become very necessary for the political party, as far as we are concerned, to look at people who are connected with the core values, with the true spirit of joining politics and being in public life to serve the people and protect the interests of the people and the state. That must be the priority. So we will have exhaustive exercise to zero down on such people, because you have seen in the past, many of our elected members of the district council were victims of poaching, political poaching. It has become more frequent and more aggressive than ever before, which is a concern for every citizen. It just nullifies the mandate. It just is in contradiction and the defeat of the mandate that people give. Therefore, in the true spirit of our democracy, every political party, I believe, must understand that despite the absence of the provision of 10th schedule to value and respect the mandate. We have done so in the past. I have led by example. You will recall, if you reconnect with the past, that every time when there was a mandate in respect of Garo's Autonomous District Council or KHADC or GHADC, we have, while being in power, while we had the privilege of running the state government, we have never tried to topple any executive committee in Autonomous District Council. Because we adhere to the core values of democracy. We understand that the responsibility of leaders who lead the political parties must understand the values associated with our democratic system and respect the mandate of the people.